Welcome to CIE Math Solutions. In this video, we will continue the series of math tutorial videos about sequences and series. In today's video, we will learn how to find the specific term of a given arithmetic sequence or progression. Welcome to another video of CIE Math Solutions. In the previous videos, we have already discussed the process of finding the general rule for the nth term of a given arithmetic sequence or progression. We have also explored the fastest way or shortcut method in finding the general rule. The playlist containing these videos, together with other videos about arithmetic sequences, are found on the link above this video or on the description below. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon for you to be notified when new videos are uploaded. If you have already subscribed, please watch, like, and share the videos of the channel. In today's video, we will focus on finding the specific terms of a given arithmetic sequence or progression. Specifically, we will discuss the process of finding the specific term of an arithmetic sequence or progression given its general rule. But before we proceed, let us have a quick recall of the basic concepts of arithmetic sequences or progressions. We will take an example of an arithmetic sequence containing 23, 28, and 33. 23, 28, and 33 are called the terms of the sequence, and they are usually denoted by AN. That means A1 is the first term, which is 23, A2 is the second term, which is 28, and A3 is the third term, which is 33. An arithmetic sequence also has a common difference, which is denoted by D. D here now would be 33 minus 28, 28 minus 33, which will give us a common difference of 5. Take note that the common difference is taken from the difference of two consecutive terms. Let us also recall the formula for the nth term of a given arithmetic sequence or progression. That is, AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 times D, where AN is the nth term, A1 is the first term, N is the rank or order of the term, and D is the common difference. If you would like to learn more about the derivation of this formula together with the basic concepts of arithmetic sequences, click on the link above this video or on the description below. Let us start finding the specific nth term of an arithmetic sequence given its general rule. For example, the general rule of an arithmetic sequence or progression is given by AN equals 5N minus 12. Find A5 or the fifth term, A12 or the 12th term, and A32 or the 32nd term. For the first one, which is A5 or the fifth term, the value of n then is equal to 5. We will substitute this value to the n in the general rule. That will give us A5 equals 5 times 5 minus 12, that is 25 minus 12, which is equal to 13. The fifth term then is equal to 13. For the second one, which is the 12th term, or A12, the value of n then is equal to 12. Substituting this value, that will give us A12 equals 5 times 12 minus 12, which is equal to 60 minus 12. The 12th term then is equal to 48. The third one, which is the 32nd term, or A32, the value of n here is equal to 32. Substituting this value, that will give us 5 times 32 minus 12, which is 160 minus 12, that is equal to 148. The 32nd term then of the sequence is 148. Summarizing the answers of the three, we will then have the 5th term, or A5, which is equal to 13. A12 is equal to 48, and A32 is equal to 148. Now it's your turn. The general rule of an arithmetic sequence or progression is given by an equals negative 7n plus 15. Find a1, or the first term, a16, or the 16th term, a27, or the 27th term, a42, or the 42nd term. Please pause the video for a while, then try to find the answers by your own first. When you are done, please press the play button and check if your answers are correct. Now let us verify the answers. For the first one, that is A1, the value of n here will be equal to 1. Substituting 1 then on the n in the general rule, A1 then is negative 7 times 1 plus 15, which is equal to negative 7 plus 15. The first term then of the sequence is 8. The second one, which is the 16th term, or A16. The value of n is equal to 16. Substituting this value on the general rule, that will give us negative 7 times 16 plus 15, which is negative 112 plus 15. The 16th term then of the sequence is negative 97. For the third one, which is the 27th term, or A27, the value of n is equal to 27. Substituting this value, we will have the negative 7 times 27 plus 15, which is equal to negative 189 plus 15. The 27th term then is negative 174. For the last one, which is the 42nd term, or A42, the value of n here is equal to 42. Substituting this value, that will give us negative 7 times 42 plus 15. That is negative 294 plus 15, which is equal to negative 279. Summarizing the answers of these four items, we will have then A1, which is equal to 8, A16, which is equal to negative 97, A27, which is negative 174, and A42, which is negative 279. If you got all the answers correct, then congratulations! You now know how to find the specific terms of a given arithmetic sequence or progression using its general rule. To summarize what we have learned today, to find the specific nth terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression, substitute the order of the term to the value of n in the general rule of the sequence. For example, use n equals 3 if you're looking for the third term. Use n equals 4 if you're looking for the fourth term, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will continue the process of finding the specific term of arithmetic sequence given the first three terms of the sequence. For more videos on math proofs and derivations, math tutorial videos, solve items from international exams, math tricks and puzzles, math resources, and more, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for your continued support to CIE Math Solutions.